Welcome back to another crypto video. Yo, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. jacobcrypobury. So we're gonna just jump straight into it. We are gonna look at ZILLIQA today, and we looked at this quite recently on the channel a few times following the Metapolis news and the Web3 commercial outlets. So let's have a look at what's happening on ZILLIQA right now. We can see we're speaking about this broadening channel here. This is not really a consolidation channel, but it does represent increase of volatility because we can see that the highs and the actual lows are diverging as opposed to converging together. So not surprising, it is a continuation pattern. Continuation being that we are falling wedge, so we are seeing a momentum to the downside following the particular impulse that we did see. Now when we look at the Fibonacci retracement over here and take the actual first and foremost impulse, and when we do take a look at the ZILLIQA price on the Fibonacci retracement, we do fall just above that 0.786 Fibonacci level, which does usually indicate a nice area to potentially buy and accumulate some more cryptocurrency at this particular level. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see we are a bit oversold on the RSI. It's happened twice now. The price is coming up as the RSI is actually dropping, and there's a hidden divergence right here. We see prices coming down, bullish divergence. Actually, this is a very good thing right now for ZILLIQA. We see the price coming down, but the RSI was actually producing higher lows at that particular time, meaning people are scooping up this dip because they see the value in ZILLIQA right now. I think very important that we do retest this key area of resistance at $0.096, and if we can actually push through, we may get a bit of hope of retesting some other resistance areas such as 0.114 and the previous swing high over here at 0.104, guys. So mainly that's the update with ZILLIQA. There's not a huge amount happening, but we need to make sure we come back through this 0.0096 resistance level, because if we get rejected at this level, guys, it means we're gonna see continuation to the downside looking at $0.085. So do be careful, make sure you are making any decisions with pragmatic approach, and make sure you time your entry and wait for the supports to trade the bounces, or wait for the breakout of the resistances with a good amount of healthy volume to actually support your decision right there. So for me, dollar cost averaging at this particular level for ZIL could be pretty good. Of course, it does depend on what the rest of the market looks to do. So is ZIL worth buying in 2022? Well, we're still ranked 77, $0.0948 at the moment with a $1.35 billion market cap. I think, ZIL, tremendous start to Q1. Q2 is a little bit down, but it doesn't mean it's going to be bad for the remainder of the year. We are entering this alt season territory, as we see. I was saying back in April, March, early April, time to accumulate altcoins. We're in a Bitcoin season, and every time we see this, November 2020, August 2021, that's when we see the impulse of the altcoins following in the market. So we don't know if it's truly going to become a big wild alt season. We could easily just come up to this level and back down, but I do speculate that altcoins will make a move soon, especially once Bitcoin actually decides what it wants to do. So yeah, ZILLIQA extremely bullish. I think long-term targets right now, if we use this swing high and then assume this is the bottom, of course, we want to see the 0.12 territory taken over. We want to get back to the 0.382 and the golden pocket at 0.176. But if we can get back to this swing high at 0.23, which was basically the same as the all-time high previously, we should actually go into price discovery after reaching $0.25, which is the main area of resistance. So the bullish target for 2022 would be $0.31 with the golden Fibonacci pocket in mind. However, we are seeing a lower high on this particular weekly time frame. As you see, we put this big high here, we've got the rollover, and again, we've had this big rush to 0.23, we're getting the rollover. So the likelihood of actually coming up to 0.26 right now is going to depend on many factors, and hopefully we can hold this particular level that we're talking about over here on the weekly time frame. The previous week candle doesn't look bullish at all, but things could easily reverse here. The MACD is becoming a bit white here on the green side of things, which does mean that we could get a bearish crossover. But overall, I think if you did buy down here at the 0.04 levels, you're still in profit. You're looking fantastic. New buyers beware of what could potentially happen, though it could be a great opportunity for longing or shorting this position. If you want to grab some ZILLIQA today, you can actually just use my link down in the description below. That would be the safest place to grab it because it's FCA, SISEC accredited as well. And guys, I welcome you to my Discord channel. Make sure you do join this. You're going to get some nice leverage trading patterns, DCA trading strategy, which is dollar cost averaging, as well as some DCA charts, and take profit zones for lots of different coins such as, Gala or, Mana, whatever you might recommend or suggest. I can provide those for you. So do join that Discord. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one. Bye now, guys.